Hello everyone, I am Praveen Ranmari presenting you the topic digital panel meter. So what is digital panel meter? The digital panel meter is a electric measuring instrument that combines several measurement functions in one unit. This is also known as ohm, volt, ohm, milliammeter. It is designed for connecting directly to the range of thermocouples, transmitters and RTDs. It works on both DC current as well as voltage signal. The DPPT series is suitable for temperature monitoring and process control. Digital panel meters shows the reading in numerical way which is easy to understand. It is used to present data for instrumentation such as thermocouples, humidity and pressure sensor. So what is the use of digital panel meter? It is used to display the input signal in analog or digital form. The panel meters are also available in alarm option. It also has the ability to transfer data to the computer. So what is the application of digital panel meter? It is used in oven for temperature monitoring. It is used in motor for current monitoring. Uh, it is used in cooling water temperature. It is used for monitoring water flow at wet station, etc.
Good morning friends, my name is Samarth Patel and I will explain you about advantages of digital panel meters. Digital panel meters are more accurate than analog multimeters. They reduces error, interpolation error and reading. To test circuit with the wrong polarity, the auto polarity function can prevent problems from connecting the meters. Digital multimeter displays makes them free from wear and shock failure because they have no moving parts. It is easier to read because the reading speed is increased. Unlike analog multimeters, zero adjustment is not required. Disadvantages of digital panel meter. The LCD display, it is depend on battery or external power source. It can record an error in case of any fluctuation. There is a voltage limitation. The meter will be damaged if it is an increased beyond the limit. For adjusting turning circuits or picking tunable response, the digital nature make it unsuitable. Due to high manufacturing cost, they are very expensive. List of digital panel meters. There are three types of digital panel meters. First, digital voltmeter. Second, digital ammeter. Third, digital multimeters. Functions of digital voltmeter. The voltmeter is an electrical measuring instrument and it is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points. The digital voltmeter displays the value of AC or DC voltage. It's being measured directly as discrete numericals. The readings are noted because the usage of digital voltmeter has increased the speed and accuracy. Working of digital voltmeter. The input signal, it is basically the signal that is voltage to be measured. In pulse generator, actually the pulse generator is a voltage source. To generate a rectangular pulse, it uses digital, analog or both the techniques. The width and frequency of the rectangular pulse are controlled by the digital circuitry inside the generator, while amplitude and rise and fall time is controlled by analog circuitry. In AND gate, it gives high output only when both the inputs are high. When a trend pulse is fed, it alongs the rectangular pulse. It provides us an output having trend pulse with duration as same as the rectangular pulse from the pulse generator.
Myself Viraj Shimpi. I will introduce you function of digital emitter. First point. Digital emitter design use a shunt resistor to produce a calibrate voltage proportional to the current following. Second point. This voltage is then measured by a digital voltmeter through use of analog to digital converter. The digital display is calibrated to display the current through the shunt. Third point, such instruments are often calibrated to indicate the RMS value for a sine wave only, but many design will indicate true RMS with limitation of true the wave crest factor. Working of digital emitter. First point. Digital emitter are connected in series with a current circuit and never parallel so that current flow pass through the meter. Second point. High current flow may indicate a short circuit, unitational ground or defective component. Third point. Digital emitter can measure different range of AC current and DC current and AC current frequency. Function of digital multimeter. First point. A digital multimeter is a test tool used to measure two or more electrical values, principally voltage measuring in volts, current measuring in amplifier, and resistance measuring in ohms. Second point, digital multimeters long ago replaced needle-based analog meters due to their ability to measure with greater accuracy, reliability, and increased impedance. Third point, digital multimeter combine the testing capability of single task meters, the voltmeter for measuring volts, ammeter measuring in amplifier, and ohm meter. Working of digital multimeter. First point. Digital multimeter the input signal, that is AC or DC voltage, current, resistor, temperature or any voltage parameter is converted to DC voltage within the range of the ADC. Second point. The analog to digital converter then convert the prescale DC voltage into its equivalent digital numbers, which will be displayed on the display unit. Third point, sometimes a digital control block is implemented with a microcontroller or microprocessor manage the flow information within the instruments. Fourth point, in the case of some handheld multimeter, some of or all of these blocks may be implemented in a VLSI circuit will aid A or D converter and display driver can be in the same IC. Hope so you have understood this topic we explained. Thank you so much watching this video.